I'll guide you through how to contact AT&T Prepaid support without getting stuck in endless automated phone menus. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's review the various ways to contact AT&T support. Start with the My AT&T app, your fastest way to check your balance, make payments, and manage add-ons. Open the app and go to the Support tab to run diagnostics on your device before calling. If you need more help, access the dedicated support page at att.com/support/prepaid. Use the search field to ask a question and let the AI provide an instant solution. For the fastest connection to a live person, text the word prepaid to the number 75421 to start a chat with a human representative. Remember, chat hours are 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. ET Monday through Saturday and 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. ET on Sunday. If necessary, you may want to call and speak to a support agent. For account and billing questions, dial 611 directly from your AT&T Prepaid mobile phone. If you are calling from a landline, dial the primary support line, 1-800-901-9878. That is 1-800-901-9878. Note that domestic phone support is available Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. ET. For urgent help while traveling abroad, dial the 24/7 dedicated line, 1-408-962-1025. That is +1-408-962-1025. This call is free from your AT&T mobile phone. For complex device issues or troubleshooting, use a store locator at att.com/stores to visit an AT&T retail location. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.